Hi everyone, welcome to the page how to have the good health through home remedy. Today I'd like to share you how to get rid of hiccup. To get rid of hiccup we can do easily by breathing. To inhale and to exhale longer than usual. To inhale you have to do as deep as possible and do it slowly. And to exhale, you can do it as long as possible too. So I'm gonna show you when I inhale, I'm gonna show you the hand like this. So you're gonna see how deep I can inhale. And when I exhale, I'm gonna do the hand like this. So you're gonna see how long I can exhale. And to do the long breathing, we're gonna heal the hiccups easily, like a miracle. We can say that. So let's start. I'm gonna inhale and exhale continuously. Okay, let's go. Yeah. So we can do that long, to inhale and to exhale. You have to do it 3 rounds. To inhale and to exhale 1 round. To inhale and to exhale second round. To inhale and to exhale again third round. So you have to do altogether 3 rounds. Then the hiccup gonna be gone easily and miraculously. So you can try. And after you have tried and you have realized that it really work, please hit like and share. And thank you for watching. I'm จิรพันธ์ สุวรรณพันธ์ ขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ